yung panahon na ma-reunite yung mga family natin, yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. So, yun.
Christmas starts from love. You're a person who has a heart and who feels love. Why not share it this Yuletide season?
Love and care to others this Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh, is about Jesus Christ. Pagbibigayan, pagmamahalan ng bawat isang tao sa mundo. One love.
Christmas is all about giving, and giving is the ultimate expression of love. You can remember the Bible verse, John chapter 3, verse 16. It tells there that for God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son. Whoever believes in Him shall not perish, but have eternal life. I learned to give not because I have many, but because I know exactly how it feels to have nothing. You never know when you might change someone's life, so don't hesitate on helping and giving to others. All of us have hard times, and somehow, some way, we survive it. So if someone gives you
That's what
push,
you have for your
fine.
families, sharing gifts with your families, with your friends, and your loved ones. And syempre, hindi mawawala yung pagmamahal mo sa bawat isa, saka yung pagmamahal mo sa kaibigan mo, sa mga kaopisina mo, sa lahat ng tao sa paligid mo. So sa tingin ko, ang Pasko, ang Christmas sa akin, ay ang pagmamahal sa bawat isa, kung anong tinuro sa atin ng ating Panginoong Diyos. So that's Christmas for me.
Being with family, spending time with friends, and sharing what you have with others.